In the world of Photoshop, there are two ways to approach an image. There's the good way and the dark side. I'm talking about fixing, now change that word to restoring, or manipulating. Fixing an image, your intent is pure and honest. You want the image to look just the way it looked when the photographer took the photo. Manipulating an image sometimes has a bad connotation. Think yellow journalism. Think presses that do things and manipulate images to make people look other than what the photo intended them to look like. I'm going a little bit too far with that, but to be honest with you, the intent of what you're doing to the image really kind of controls the definition you're going to use. So we're going to look at a creative use of something called the displacement map. Now that allows me to take an image and actually place it onto another image and make it look like that other image is part of the image that you're putting it onto. We're going to look at multiple images and blending modes and how we can do some down and dirty correction. We're going to talk about straightening images. We're going to talk about cropping images. We're going to talk about the Liquify filter, which has some new features to it. And then we're going to work with lens correction. All that in this chapter and a little bit more. Let's get going.